What is up, you guys? Welcome to another video. And today we got Handiki Lencho. And today we're going to be putting on the rear diffuser on the green machine. So hopefully everything goes well. Should be pretty easy. Where's the diffuser at, Hando? It's over there. Oh, it's over here. I'm going to put this bad boy on right here. Bam. So hopefully everything goes well. We're just gonna cut a hole right here and just rivet it on. So yeah, let's get this started. Alright guys, we got these little clips off, and then right now Lencho's taking off the ones on the side. We're starting off on the passenger side and get that bitch off real quick. Then, you know, obviously make our way to the other side and see what else we need to take off to get this bumper off. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, coming off, it's coming off. From where? Oh, where's my flashlight? You should. Wait. Oh no, there's a 10 right here. 10? Yeah. Where? Right there, you're touching it. Man, no lighting. Guide your hand. You got it up? You need the gun? No. I got new gear. Hando.
Where's
oh.
the
Why?
We were both over there.
What if my whole car just falls apart now?
I'll cry now.
Bro, we should just cut this off.
We should just cut your spare
That
tire.
inside. They're rusted.
Is that it? Is that the last one?
Yeah, that's it.
Ooh, it's sick, bro. Leave that camera on.
Nah, my kid won't pick it up.
It's like a 14, I think.
Yeah.
Like a 13 or 14.
12. That's a 12.
12?
That's a fucking 12.
That's a fucking 12, man?
Yeah, that's a 12.
Yeah?
Or an 11.
It's a 14, big dog.
And Tommy goes, hey, I just closed my eyes, turned around.
Hey, Hando, go hold these. You're in charge of.
Yeah, they're right here. They're all in my
Actually, that 14 you said you can't lose.
It's right here. I got a tool right here just in case.
It's a 12. Yeah, it's a 12.
You're listening to me or something.
Yeah, it's a 12, big guy.
Here, big dog, grab the 10, big dog.
Pass me the pistol.
I got the pistol. Flare?
Fuck, fool. Hey, if you break it, you buy it. Wow.
I need to run the bumper.
We'll see right now. It looks no bumper. I'm pretty sure we actually washed it. That's pretty clean, actually.
That paint's fresh.
Yeah, it goes all freshly cleaned. It's just dirty.
Take off the bumper off the inside too.
You got a big dog? How heavy is that?
Probably like
2 pounds?
This is probably like 10 pounds. Like 10 pounds.
Maybe. What do you think, big dog?
Let's take the studs out.
Yeah, it's a good like 10 pounds.
Where's the hammer at?
No,
We have to take the whole axle of this shit out. That shit's not wobbling. How do you take this off though?
It's probably like a big ass bolt.
Oh yeah, there is 214s.
214s?
Alright, I got the gun. You can pull it.
Here, I got your handle.
Here's 12.
Here, give me that 12.
Oh, he got it back. Look, I was saying just cut this off.
Yeah, just cut this little lip off right here. And all the way around.
Or just this line right here, Yeah, I think just
Just mark down the holes. So we just cut right under the hole, you know what I'm saying? With the grinder?
Yeah, well, yeah, I got you.
Yeah, I think this following this line would be better than cutting this lip right here.
This has a little or more center?
Shit, I don't know.
Can we measure?
Measure twice, cut once.
Measure with the eyes here.
Oh shit, do I have tape? I don't have tape.
Let's go right here. You can see.
Look at your one there after Johnson's.
I don't know, fool from the previous owner.
Hold right here.
That has?
Yeah, from
Bend this shit forward. Right here.
hold the middle handle.
That's good, that's good. Put dots.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Handle.
Nigga, I didn't even touch it.
Handle.
Did it mess up anything?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Just 3 people chilling next to their trash can. While
Looking like fucking crackheads.
while people walk out of their house. That size. I'm saying we should follow this line instead of cutting like all the way right here. Just follow this line.
Oh yeah, we could do that. Probably be easier, huh?
And it'll cut like a good part of it off too. And it will look clean still.
Yeah, you gotta go.
I was gonna say mark the holes too, for we know.
Or
Line them up again.
there you go.
We using the corner ones because those ones we could drill while they're on.
Yeah.
Let's go. Actually, we don't even need that because we can just fucking put it on and fucking drill.
I know. So I just want to make sure we don't drill too much of it, you know.
Okay, let's go.
We're not gonna cut it right
We
now?
can do it right here, yeah. We can do it right here.
Want me to bring the grinder?
Let me see how bad is it.
Oh damn.
You getting nervous?
I'm meant to hold the bumper actually. What's up, you guys? It is the next day. We couldn't finish recording yesterday because we ran out of daylight, but we got the diffuser on. There it is. Not the prettiest thing in the world, honestly, but it's on there. I like it. There's a few things I still want to do. Like in here, for instance, I'm gonna take off this little plate that's in there. Take that out. And there's also another thing we did, and that is we put the front bumper back on. Pretty cool, pretty snazzy. It's a little dirty, but I don't mind, honestly. The looks is not my main priority as far as the performance, but at least from the front it looks more streetable. I like it. I like how the car's coming along. You know, big thanks to Honda and Lencho, you know, who helped me out the most on this diffuser and stuff. So car's coming along great. And yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video right here because I gotta head out to work. So hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know on your feedback because I always want to improve, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.